Hello friends, today we are making the palace wrap, which is both easy to make and very tasty. First we prepare the pudding. Ingredients for the custard: 2 glasses of flour, 2 teaspoons of cocoa, 1 glass of granulated sugar, 1 liter of milk, 1 packet of vanillin, 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix the flour, cocoa, and granulated sugar thoroughly and add our milk on it. Then take it to the stove and mix it well until it boils. As you can see, it has a nice consistency. We add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 packet of vanillin and mix. We spread stretch on the bottom of our tray. Spread 2 cups of coconut evenly on the bottom of the tray. We pour our custard evenly on the coconut and flatten it with the help of a spatula. Then we cool our tray for 1 hour at room temperature or in the cupboard. If we make it hot, our whipped cream will melt. While our pudding is cooling, let's prepare our whipped cream. We mix 2 packs of vanillin and a glass of water with the help of a blender, and our whipped cream is ready. We spread our whipped cream evenly over our pudding. We cut it to the extent that we will wrap it with a knife. You can make it smaller. Lift it from the bottom with the help of a spatula and wrap it nicely. You can decorate it with pistachios and fruits. Our palace wrap dessert is ready. Bon appetit to everyone who tries it. We would be happy if you liked the video and subscribed to our channel.